in a bad destination in the next life. If that person did not reborn in a bad destination, as a result he was reborn again in this human world, Supreme Buddha said, he is short-lived. He will have a shorter lifespan. So the reason behind this shorter lifespan is committing the killing beings, committing the action of killing beings. So if we kill animals, remember, our lifespan will be shortened. So we need to give a big concern to not to kill animals. Now normally you don't kill animals, you don't kill big animals, right? Normally people don't kill them. But what about little mosquitoes? Do you kill them? Do you kill mosquitoes? Normally most of the people, they kill mosquitoes. And what about little ants that will bother you in your households? People kill ants also. Remember, mosquitoes, ants have the same life as ours. They deserve to live in this world same as us.